Wait, what's your name again? Wait.
Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to review something really exciting. And ये exciting इसलिए है because it is a makeup product which is launched by a co-YouTuber and I have met her once. So जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में देख ही लिया है, these are the colored liners by Capsule Lashes by Nidhi Katyar, and she's an amazing personality, amazing person, because I adore her so much because she is managing so much on her own. मुझे पता है कि कितना मैनेज सब कुछ करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, being a YouTuber, being an entrepreneur, having a makeup line, and you are a mother as well, you're a wife, you are a daughter-in-law, so lots of things together, and she's managing it so well. So that's why I adore her a lot. Anyways, so I have tried her face paint palette, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी थी. I really like the quality, and now I got the chance to try these liners and review them for you guys. I already had like their black liner. This is the shade called Pitch, and really good shade, really black. You can see it on my eyes right now. बहुत ही अच्छा liner है, really pigmented. Now they came up with some more colors, which are these. You can call it fluorescent or pastels kind of mixture है, but really good range of colors. I have all the 8 shades जो कि launch हुए हैं. So let's go and see the swatches, and then I will tell you the review about each and every liner.
Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be good for a minute, thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it, yeah I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Got a case of FOMO, 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 'cause I don't wanna let go, let go, let go. Just keep it on the down low, down low, down low. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now.
Wait, what's your name again? Wait.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Instinct playing bye, bye, bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit, shit. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you changed my mind, but what can you do? I guess I needed to, yeah, yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a part, take a part, take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one, 'cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be good for a minute. Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la.
So I really liked the liners. The tip is very precise and thin, तो आप अपने हिसाब से अपना लाइनर मोटा पतला लगा सकते हैं, which is good. In every liner bottle you get 8 ml of product, which is a good amount of product, and it retails for just ₹199, which is amazing. You know, like 200 रुपए में एक अच्छा liner is a good deal, I would say, and you get lots of shades option. इनके पहले भी I believe 4 to 5 shades available हैं, but now they have come up with new 8 more shades, which is amazing. थोड़ा सा जो मुझे issue लगा वो मुझे थोड़े से lighter colors में लगा, like white, yellow and pink, because you need to at least apply 2-3 times to get that really opaque liner. Otherwise dark colors are good to go. Also I really wanted to say something about these liners, pinks and reds. Basically they are like so pigmented, it can stain your skin. मुझे बहुत मुश्किल हुई especially pinks का stain निकालने में. They can stain your eyes, which is a good thing because they can last longer on the eyes. Otherwise the quality of each and every liner is amazing. They glide on your lids smoothly. एंड मुझे पता है कि आई स्वॉच करना बहुत मुश्किल है. लिप स्वॉचेस तो होते ही मुश्किल है, बट आई थिंक आई स्वॉचेस आर a different level, you know, because I was applying mascara every time and removing mascara every time I was doing my under eye area every time, so it was very difficult, but I think it's worth it. Well done Nidhi, loved them, each and every color, loved them, and it looks amazing. These liners are really good, जिनको experiment करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है with their looks. Good for college going and teenage girls, really funky colors, and they can give you like more creativity to your makeup. So आप इनको कैसे भी use करें, अलग-अलग creative looks कर सकते हैं using these liners, and these are made in India. That makes me so proud कि इंडिया में भी ऐसे ब्रांड्स आ रहे हैं जो कि बहुत यूनिक हैं और बहुत गुड क्वालिटी हैं, एंड सुपर प्राउड ऑफ यू निधि. आई लव्ड इट एंड आई विल बी लिंकिंग द साइट एंड दीज लाइनर्स लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट. एंड आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी एंड आपने एंजॉय की. एंड कबीर इज हियर, आई एम जस्ट गोना शो यू कबीर एज वेल. कम कबीर, एंड हियर इज माय लिटिल बेबी Kabir. And I think I'll wrap up the video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.